Hey everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and today we have a Rae Dunn inspiration video. So this is not really a DIY as such because I've just basically used my little Cricut Joy machine to print out some Rae Dunn style words and just added it to some plain old decor that I had. So these first ones, these were two little pots and a watering can. I believe they were all from IKEA and were just plain white, and I've just added my Rae Dunn inspired words to them, and I think it gives them like a really cute little update. So if you guys have a Cricut Joy or a Cricut machine or any sort of cutting machine and you really love that Rae Dunn style, just use the font The Skinny and that will give you your Rae Dunn style words. So this is the first little set that I updated. The next little project I updated was this rolling pin. It's just a plain rolling pin from regular department store, and I just painted it white, painted the handles black, and then added my Rae Dunn style word, Farmhouse, added a buffalo check bow, and you've got a beautiful decor piece to add to your kitchen. Definitely looks better than just the plain wooden rolling pin that would normally be sitting there. Now these of course are more display pieces. Obviously you wouldn't use this to roll out any pastry, but yeah, still looks cute all the same. The next little project is my teapot. This is a teapot, just a plain white teapot that I had in my decor, and just added the word tea to it, and voila, you have a Rae Dunn inspired teapot. So yeah, you can just look for little things around your home if you really love that Rae Dunn style. And then the last set that I did, this was a little tin set that I got from Kmart. It was just all plain black. I've just added the words Home Sweet Home to the little tins using the Rae Dunn font, and yeah, gives you a little piece of Rae Dunn inspired decor to your home. So that's all I wanted to show you guys in this video, just a quick inspiration video if you really love your Rae Dunn. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.